What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be installing these factory original 2.5 RS seats back into my 1998 RS Coupe. This is my little Subaru-only shop. It's a DIY Subaru channel. It's a channel where all I do is Subaru builds and race Subaru vehicles in motorsport events. It's a DIY themed channel where I walk you guys through the steps to get your Subarus back on the road and hopefully do a little racing of your own. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. I really appreciate it. These factory original seats are in really good condition. There's no tears, there's no damage to them at all, but there is a little bit of staining, for example, right there. So before I actually install these seats, I'm gonna hit them up with this spot cleaner right here. This is actually a portable little carpet cleaner that I've actually picked up from Amazon. The name is actually the Bissell Spot Clean Pro, and I actually have this in my Amazon store, guys. And this is actually the product I use, OxiClean Deep Cleaning Action Carpet Cleaner. Basically any carpet cleaner will work. You put it in this sucker with hot water, just a couple little tablespoons of it with hot water. And this little applicator right here and this little wand actually sprays that hot soapy water and vacuums it out at the same time. So that's how that sucker works. And I'm gonna hit both these seats up with that carpet cleaner and really kind of work all the fabric material on these seats and get them spot clean before I install them in my coupe. And then after I clean them, I'll move on with the installation. And installation on these is really straightforward. There's actually only 4 bolts, a bolt right here, here, and then a bolt right here and over here. So that's all it really is 4 bolts, guys, 4 bolts on each side. The only tip I'll give you guys is when you're installing the front 2 bolts, slide the seat back, and then when you install the rear 2 bolts, slide the seat forward first. That makes it a lot easier to get access to those bolts and makes tightening them down a lot easier. Okay, let's get started. All right, guys, I've got these seats installed. As you guys probably saw in the time lapse, before I actually hit them up with this carpet cleaner, I actually vacuumed them down with my shop vac to make sure I got all the little dust and debris and lint and little hair off these suckers. You definitely want to do that before you hit them up with that carpet cleaner. I gotta say, these things are looking amazing. They're a little bit wet right now, so I'll have to let them sit overnight and these suckers will dry by tomorrow. And then I can jump on in there and see how they feel. But for now, I'm stoked on this next step of this build. And I gotta say, guys, we are 1 step away from getting this entire interior done on this car. The last thing I need to do are these door cards, and then this interior from this 1998 RS Coupe is completely done. And man, I gotta say, it is looking freaking awesome in here, guys. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up there for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this next phase of this interior restoration for my 1998 2.5 RS Coupe, which, as a lot of you guys know, has a 2005 WRX engine and tranny swapped in. I hope you guys found some value in this video. When it comes to cleaning seats, the tips that I talked about when using that carpet cleaner will actually apply to any car in any situation. And as far as removing or installing your seats, this video will definitely apply to virtually any Subaru because all Subarus have a really similar way that those seats are installed in their cars. But of course, this video specifically applies to 1993 to 2001 Subaru Imprezas. So thanks a lot for checking out the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave them in the comments section. And if you guys need any automotive tools or maintenance items for your Subaru, make sure you check out my SubaruONLY Amazon page. I've recently added a ton of parts to that page, and I've created categories where you can actually search based on your Impreza generation, or you can search part lists by the part type. So make sure you guys check it out. I really appreciate it and definitely helps out the channel. Thanks again for checking out the video, guys. My name's Luke. You guys are watching a Subaru-only channel. And until next time, guys, later. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. As you guys know, I'm a diehard Subaru enthusiast. And I've also had the opportunity to be involved in motorsports for over 2 decades now. But I'm also a professional hydrogeologist, and I've actually spent years in laboratories performing experiments where I studied the flow of fluids using the properties of physics and fluid mechanics. In these YouTube videos, I'm actually able to combine my experience from the laboratories and all the research I've done with my experience from all the motorsport series I've been involved in and my passion for Subarus. If you have any professional inquiries about Subaru-related R&D or digital marketing and media, you can contact me at SubaruONLYshop@gmail.com. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope to hear from you soon.